Have you ever wondered what machine learning actually is? We're going to break down this complex concept with simple, relatable examples. At its core, machine learning, or ML, is about teaching computers to learn from data, much like how humans learn from experience. Think of machine learning like training a child to recognize something. For example, teaching a child what a dog looks like. You don't give the child a long set of rigid rules like 4 legs, a tail, and fur. Instead, you show them many different examples of dogs until they figure out the pattern on their own. This learning by example is the key difference between machine learning and traditional programming. Let's look at a simple example: detecting spam emails. In traditional programming, you'd manually write rules to detect spam, such as, if the subject contains win money, then it's spam. But spammers constantly change their tactics, making manual rules quickly fail. Machine learning offers a flexible, data-driven approach to detect ever-changing spam. Let's detail how an ML system would handle spam detection. First, you feed the computer thousands of emails, labeled as either spam or not spam. The machine studies this massive data set and automatically learns complex patterns, like frequently used keywords, suspicious writing styles, or certain sender behaviors. Once trained, the model uses these learned patterns to accurately predict whether any new, unseen email is spam. All machine learning systems rely on 3 crucial components working together. The first key piece is the data. These are the examples, be it images, emails, or numbers, that the computer learns from. Next is the model. This is the structure responsible for finding the hidden patterns within the data. Finally, training is the process of repeatedly feeding the data to the model until it successfully learns the necessary patterns to make accurate predictions. The power of machine learning lies in its ability to tackle problems that are too complex for humans to define with explicit rules. ML excels at tasks like speech recognition, image recognition, and predicting trends, where the necessary rules are constantly evolving or too numerous to write manually. And because it learns from data, a machine learning model keeps improving and becoming more accurate the more data it sees. So if you need a single definition to explain it all, here it is. Machine learning is a method where computers learn patterns from data so they can make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed.